everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we mount this winch. This is a real working winch with a switch because I had to buy another one because the first one on Gen 8 I have damaged the remote control. Now I have just 1 and 2. So I managed to mount it over here. And I hope to do a good work. Comment, like and subscribe. The first thing that I have to do is to bring current from the battery to the front of the car. To do this I need wire, a good piece of wire like this. And connect it to a source of energy. Could be this one. Here I take energy for the lights. Yes, comes directly from the battery. I connect here and no plugs, directly to the switch plug. Okay, I'll show you when I have finished this step. Here we are. This is the current from the battery. This is for lights here, and this is the wire that reaches the front of the car, arrives to this switch, and then this is to be shortened, and it works. Now I have to mount this on this and this into this, in this position. This on this and this into this. Bam, 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 bam. Let's work. Here we are, camera on the head, and we can make a little test. So, battery, 1. Then, interiors, body, lights. Okay, lights. Lights by this way. Okay. Side. I told you that I wanted to change the position of the rear bumper, but I don't think it is possible without making a sort of damage to the body, because herein the space is too little. It doesn't make secure. If this was here, it was better to push it back. So I wait. For sure there is something here under, and it is the hook, the support of the hook. I will never use the hook, but this touch the obstacles. Perhaps I will cut it. Okay, so we have our car. The shoe that I'm gluing, they don't sew anymore, they glue. Okay, and switch on the radio. Even if for this trial we don't need the radio, switch on the car. The button, where is it? Fender. Okay, you see the flashing light when I switched on the car. Ooh. What is that? Ah, okay. So now we have to use the winch. Take the shoe away, battery out from. We have to operate the winch. I told you it is not a remote control or radio operated. I have to go here to the switch, and the cable is very long in this kind of switch. I will give you the link. I recommend you to buy this. It's quite good, it's very cheap. Give you the link in the description. Oh, no, stop. I want everything. Okay, and oops, I hurt. This is completely out. Now, let's see how strong is this winch. Returning back. Ah! Remember, always take the cord in tension when you operate the winch. I have to hook this. I don't know. Well, I hold it better. Okay. Maybe if I change the gear here. Okay. No. That's very strong. Indeed. I really Wow, it's fantastic. This little machine has this strength. I'm not joking. It's very wonderful. It's not so easy to operate this. Look my hand. I think that I can hold the car to this winch. Fantastic. No. Okay. Oh, also this is nice. Down here. In order to operate correctly the winch, I have had to make a little modification. You see that the bumper is quite flexible. It was much more flexible. That's why I've made this skid here, just to have a reinforce and a little protection to these parts. The only thing about these skids is that when you are in this position and you have to go backwards, what happened with this part, it never happened something negative. Okay, comments, like and subscribe, and bye, up to the next.